You join us here today, guys, with another exhaust video. We've got a Bentley Bentayga V8 version. We've also got a Quicksilver exhaust system here on the floor. We can't wait to hear what this thing sounds like. We've not done one before on this type of car. So just a very quick bit about the exhaust system itself. Obviously, it's a different rear silencer, as you can see, and we've also got some slightly different connecting pipes, which takes it to the middle part of the exhaust, but leaves the GPFs and the catalytic converters, so it's fully MOT compliant. So we're going to get this car worked on, all sorted, and we're going to give it a rev before and after so you guys can hear what it sounds like. I know I can't wait to hear what this is like. Hopefully you're excited for all this as well. Once we're done, quick ceramic coating on the car, and then the customer can collect it and breathe some flames down the road. So let's get straight into this one and let's let this thing roar. We're all finished on the exhaust front now, so the installation was really nice. The car's also been treated to a nice ceramic coating as well, so it's looking really deep and it's going to be nice and protected. But in terms of the exhaust, so this system retains the factory exhaust tips. It's a mid-pipe back, so basically replaces that mid-silencer, gets rid of and away of that, and replaces the rear back box. It retains the factory valving system, so the drive select button, if you like, where you change the engine modes, that still changes the exhaust note. So with this particular system, I mean, it is for a Bentley at the end of the day. It's not designed to go on an SVR or a F12 Ferrari, so it is in keeping with the type of car it is. So much below 3,000 revs, you've got this real nice comfort level. It's not boomy or bassy, but as soon as you get over 3,000 revs, it sounds amazing. So we're going to give it a rev and we're going to show you that video shortly, and you'll notice maybe not a massive amount of difference because it's soft limits at 3,000 revs, but it'll give you a little bit of an idea of the extra bass the system gives. But just be mindful that you won't really know until it's unleashed as you send it down the road on a dual carriageway at legal speeds, of course. So really nice system, installed great. Hope the customer's happy. Hope you guys enjoyed the video as well. Give us a like and subscribe if you've got a chance to do so, and you're now going to listen to the before and afters. Thanks for watching.